Hindi English!
Englishin mo na himuligin ka ng
I can speak English.
Ayun!
Yes, then you ask Pastor Didim to help you answer. Pastor Didim.
Pastor Didim, can you help me? Please.
I answer for him. Okay, what again? Number 4. Why is the answer Elisha? If you're wrong, you will receive whip. What are the miracles performed by Elisha?
Elisha miracle?
Yeah. The one that Garbat is going. And the one that he shot in the video.
Miracle is
You talk
Small only because they will answer.
Miracle is
miracles. Raining.
What raining?
by Elisha.
Elisha.
Elisha and wise. The window. He made so many wise.
Oil and.
Wait lang.
miracles.
You say it again. He did not.
Miracles.
So he made so many wise.
I-transfer mo sa Tagalog.
No, Pastor, no. Let them communicate.
For window, Elisha made so many wise.
Oh.
The answer is one of the miracles are.
Why Elisha?
Why Elisha? What did Elisha make? The one that Pastor Adidim said.
Hindi ko memorize.
Sinabi niya na English. Can you say it again, Pastor Adidim? Ayun! Sulat niya.
Bigyan mo yan, ha?
Naku, kailangan marunong kayo mag-English dito.
Oh.
Ayun no. Window.
He made
Ayan, basahin mo. Tagalog din mo.
Ay, sabi mo English.
Asan yung English?
For window, he made oil.
Naintindihan mo yun? Naintindihan niyo ba yung sagot niya?
Opo!
Naintindihan niyo yung sagot niya? Pasado ba?
Opo!
Okay, hila ako ulit.
Why Elisha?
For window, he made oil.